Hello and welcome to IMS Gujarat's YouTube channel and welcome back to Saturday's Top 5. What is Saturday's Top 5? Saturday's Top 5 is a series wherein we would every Saturday bring to you guys some form of top 5 which could be value adding to you in some manner or the other. For today's Top 5, we have 5 countries with most number of billionaires. This list has been curated based upon the data generated by Forbes. Number 1 on the list is none other than United States of America with as many as 641 billionaires, right? To name a few, we have Elon Musk, who has been recently crowned as the richest person in the world, valued at $190 billion, followed by people like Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg, who are stalwarts of their own industries as such. So that's United States of America topping the chart. At number 2, we have China, right, with a claimed 389 billionaires. Hurun says they have 826. The notion that we have for Vegas would have been more suitable for China. What happens in China stays in China, except for the COVID-19 virus and the pandemic, which has disrupted the world like never before. To name a few Chinese billionaires, right, we have Jack Ma from the Alibaba group and we have Ma Huateng, right, from the Tencent group, right. I could have had a few more names, but pronouncing their name was a little difficult. So I thought of sticking to Chinese policy, right, let things stay in China. At number 3 on the list, we have Germany with as many as 114 billionaires, right. When we're talking about Germany, it would be really unjust to not talk about the automobile sector. And right, we have a couple of people who are the major role players in the company called BMW, right, which in Germany is referred to as BMW, right. So we have Suzanne Klatten and we have Stefan Kwon, right, from BMW or BMW for that matter. We could not find an appropriate image of Udo Schira, right, who is the co-founder of SAP. Number 4th on the list is our own country, right, and these people need no introduction, right, starting from Mukesh Ambani to Gautam Adani to Radha Kishan Damani to Shiv Nadar, right. These two people, Mukesh Ambani and Gautam Adani, have been very famous and have been sensation through the country anyway, but they have caught a little more attention recently with the world's largest cricket stadium having a couple of ends named on their companies as such. Radha Kishan Damani was again very famous, right, amongst the businessmen or the people who followed business or investment for that matter, but his personality has caught a little fire post the scam of 1992 web series as such, wherein his role was also depicted by one of the characters, right. Shiv Nadar has not only been a great businessman, but he has been one of the great philanthropists that our country has ever produced, right. So this is about Indian billionaires. We have as many as 102 billionaires. Number 5th on the list is Russia with 99 billionaires, right. In Russia, if you have your first name Vladimir, right, you are bound to be influential in some manner or the other, right. These two people are named Vladimir, right. So one is Vladimir Potanin, the other is Vladimir Lysin, right. We all know who other Vladimir we are talking about, who is very powerful, who is very influential, and if all of the data was to be captured, right, God only knows, right, he would have had his name here, right. But again, that's for certain organizations like Forbes, etc. to decide, not for us. We hope you guys liked our video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we produce a video and share it with your friends. You can also put your recommendation to the context in which we can bring some top 5 to you for next Saturday or upcoming Saturdays. This is it for today's video. We wish you guys good luck. See you next Saturday.